Where do you want me to put your cards?
I'm gonna go get money. I'm gonna do something.
Right there.
Oh, just see look at it like out of the bed.
We'll do it after this.
The mirror with the beams figure, your figure, just the trigger, getting itchy with the sticky fingers, on the sticky dog for what you need. I'm on the fire, you see, I'm a meter. You wanna see it with the Raiders, they just overrated. I get faded, I'm smoking, growing and getting so hot, I'm elevated, getting tricky, chilling inside, getting hella low-key, got my fuckers, y'all all the smoke out there telling me I've been looking to smoke out. That's a joke, y'all motherfuckers is broke. Niggas get out of this way, and niggas getting insane. Nigga, I'm just as broke as being the same. You wanna get out of the game? Niggas get out of the lane. I'm switching the lane, eating the game. Motherfuckers wishing for fame, but the corrupt is corrupting the game. What you really wanna know though, man? Motherfuckers wanna go, try to flow with the go, but you know what you gotta do? Easy button, get it pushed. Nobody knows this is just with the kush. Me and Rick and Bobby just smoking like we getting lifted. Everybody wanna go ahead, we gifted. Motherfuckers getting money, but this shit ain't so real. Motherfuckers just acting like this is so real. I don't even give a fuck the thrill. Narco Maya's out with a thrill. Thriller, motherfucker with a killer. Now you really wanna know? Got the dollar bill, leakers going everywhere. Benjamin's just in the motherfucking slot machines. Everybody watching disappear. Never give a fuck. Motherfuckers telling me I'm corrupt, but guess what? My mind's made up, ready to go. I'm ready to flow. I'm ready to show. Motherfuckers, they just don't know. On the game, I'm simple. Motherfuckers plain. I can just tell you that y'all is the lames. Motherfuckers just telling me I'm insane. Just the half of it, I'm in my brain. Using my mind, using the time, trying to grind, equal in mind. I can be me, and y'all can be you. And I can be free, and y'all can be too. But guess what? Equal up to me. Nothing else, cause we all free. Looking like a simple G. Niggas smoking hella tree. Legalize it, now we got the truth in the eyes. But the eyes is getting laser hectic. This shit kinda try to phase me. I'm already crazy, baby. But guess what? God did make me. Hey, y'all can laugh and